Hello friends, right now I'm just in front of the Sri Adi Shankaracharya temple and where I'm going to visit inside from this temple. So stay updated with me and let's explore and learn lots of things regarding this temple which is located in the Mahakumbh ki Nagari Prayagraj. So let's stay updated with me. Thank you so much. हर हर महादेव, जय जय शिव शंकर, जय श्री आदि शंकराचार्य. सो हेलो फ्रेंड्स, राइट नाउ आई एम जस्ट इन फ्रंट ऑफ द आदि श्री शंकराचार्य विमान मंडपम टेम्पल विच इज लोकेटेड क्लोज टू द बड़ा हनुमान टेम्पल नियर बाई द Akbar Fort and Hanuman Temple in Prayagraj, also located nearby the Tribeni Sangam. So it is really also so beautiful temple which is dedicated to Adi Shankaracharya, who was the first Indian philosopher who was born in Kerala state in Kalari, where who introduced and declared the Char Dham of India, such as the Puri Jagannath in west, Dwarika in west, Puri Jagannath in west, and the Rameswaram in south, which is popular for Sri Ramananda Swami temple, and the Badrinath in north. So these are the quite popular temple also who innovated lots of 12 Jyotirling India by Adi Shankaracharya, like, and where he last time spent his time in the Kedarnath. So there was also a Samadhi Asthal, resting place of the Adi Shankaracharya in Kedarnath. Already I mentioned about it. So bolo Sri Adi Shankaracharya ki jai. Jai Sri Adi Shankaracharya. So this temple is also looking so beautiful. You can see the architecture design of this temple. It's looking so amazing. So thank you so much and stay updated with me and get lots of information during the Mahakumbh festival from Prayagraj Triveni Sangam. Thank you so much.
Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Trambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urubarupamiva Sansthitam Mirto Murti Amamritam. So this is the view of this temple. It's really very unique and amazing view. I don't have any single word that how can I explain regarding this temple in a single word. And this temple also built in the southern style, like the Dravidian style from South India. So we know about that very well. Adi Shankaracharya, who was a great philosopher and first philosopher of India, who was born in Kerala state in Kalari, who declared as a Char Dham of India to must be traveled once in a lifetime. Just as the first Char Dham is located in Uttarakhand as a Badrinath, and there are two types of Char Dham. One is the internal Char Dham, one is the external Char Dham. So the internal Char Dham, which is located in Uttarakhand, such as the Gangotri, Yamunotri, Badrinath, Kedarnath, these are the four internal Char Dham in Uttarakhand. And the external Char Dham of India, which is considered to be as the Badrinath in north, Dwarika in west, and Puri Jagannath Ji temple, which is located in east, and Rameswaram Ramananda Swami temple, which is located in south direction. That is declared as a fourth Char Dham of India. And one of the Singreli Mutt, which is also quite popular, where Adi Shankaracharya, who spent his time, which is located in Karnataka nowadays, Singreli Mutt. So it is also a very good place. And on the birthplace of the Sri Adi Shankaracharya, there is a Kalari, which is also located very. There is also one very big Vidyapithan temple is there in Kalari, which is located just nearby the Kochi in Ernakulam. So let's see the view of this temple architecture. The temple architecture is also so unique. We can see. So lots of pilgrims, devotees are coming here to take the bliss and take the darshan of the in this temple. So let's see. Har Har Mahadev, Jai Jai Vishnu, Jai Shri Narsimha. This is the temple of Narsimha, and this is the temple of goddess Kali. And I am going towards the temple, and there are three floors in this temple. First floor, and on this floor, each and every floor, the Ganga river's Triveni Sangam is clearly visible from here. And this temple is not far away. This temple is just located close to the Bara Hanumanji temple, which is one of the most popular temple here, which is located also nearby the Akbar Fort and the Akshayvat temple. There are so many temples, Barak Hanuman temple, Akshayvat temple, where Ram, Sita, Lakshman, who worshipped to the Akshayvat bridge. So really it's a very great place. And also we know about that this is the place of the Nisad Raj, who also met with the Lord Rama, who helped Lord Rama to cross the Ganga river while Lord Rama was going to the exile in forest at that time. who took the same path from here, from Tribeni Sangam, where they worshipped the first Tribeni Sangam and they arpan the jal here, and then they went and Isadra Sule see the view of the Tirupati Balaji temple. This is a statue of Tirupati Balaji, and this is the Adi Shankaracharya statue. Om Namah Shivaya Shankaraya Namaha. Om Hari Shankaraya Namaha. So, बोलो सियावर रामचंद्र की जय। आपदा मातरम दाता राम सर्प संप्रदान बुका अभिराम श्री राम भूयो भूयो नमः भद्राय रामचंद्राय वैद्य सूर्य गताय पतये नमः नीलामुसुलम सीता संभव भागम पारुण सकम नगुवन सन्नाथम। And right now I am on the second floor. So बोलते रहो हरि नाम हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। सोलेसी श्री वेंकटेश्वराय स्वामी लॉर्ड बालाजी। ओम श्री वेंकटेश्वराय नमः। ओम श्री वेंकटेश्वराय नमः। So the temple is also so unique. You can see the picture and around and this is the shivling here on the third floor. Om Shivaya Namah. Om Shivaya Namah. Om Shivaya Namah. Om Shivaya Namastasabhyam. Om Shivaya Namastasabhyam. हर हर महादेव हर हर महादेव। जय जय शिव शंकर। जय महाकाल जय महाकाल। हर हर महादेव। So after coming and visiting this temple, I am also feeling so awesome here, because I also when I am going to visit any temple, so I'm from there I am getting the always positive vibes. And let's see, there are 12 Jyotirling which is made in this temple, like the Bhima Shankar Jyotirling, Taramkeshwar Jyotirling, Sri Kedareshwar Jyotirling, Sri Vaidnath Jyotirling, श्री ओमकारेश्वर ज्योतिर्लिंग, रामेश्वरम ज्योतिर्लिंग, श्री महाकाल ज्योतिर्लिंग उज्जैन, श्री विश्वनाथ ज्योतिर्लिंग and the Sri Somnath Jyotirling. Har Har Mahadev. Jai Shiv Shankar. So this is the view of the Tribeni Sangam from the top of the temple. Let's see the view. In night time, this Tribeni Sangam and the river, Ganga river, is looking so unique in this time. You can see the Ganga river decoration with the lights and even leisure show always holding here also on at Tribeni Sangam, where you can also enjoy. Thank you so much.